am back! Welcome back to my channel. I've got my bandana on, kind of feeling like Charli D'Amelio a bit, which is interesting because that kind of relates to today's video. Excuse the no makeup face, I know it's not very pretty, and I haven't got any tan on my face either, so it's rougher than usual. Stay hydrated, kids. So basically what I felt like doing today was I could not think of a video idea. I was trying to think of one, I was like, I just don't know what to do. And then it crossed my mind, I'm gonna do maybe a series. If you guys enjoy this, let me know. Turn it into a series. I was gonna do following famous TikTokers makeup tutorials because, you know, combining the two, makeup, TikTok, fantastic, right? So leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, today we're going to be following Addison Rae'S makeup tutorial. I look absolutely nothing like her. She's like a hell of a lot prettier than me, and I just watched the video and she is so tanned that it makes me jealous. But yeah, we're gonna try and give it a go anyway. Let's start this. Okay, I'm sat. If I'm looking over in this direction, my mirror's here, so sorry about that one, but it's gonna have to do, isn't it?
And the first thing I'm gonna do is take my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and I'm going to moisturize my face.
So she starts off by moisturizing, so I'm going to start off without moisturizing. Haha, just kidding, I'm going to moisturize. That was funny, right? If my moisturizer looks like it's 20 shades darker, that would be because it is, and that's probably going to be a pattern in this video. I normally have tan on. I don't right now, because to be honest with you, I wasn't anticipating filming today, then I got the urge. So here we are, pale Kirsty joining us. First thing about having the black backdrop is I can't tell if it's at a funny angle, so also apparently if you put moisturizer down your neck, it stops you from aging as quickly. Also, I burnt myself on my neck twice with this new curling wand, so please ignore that. This bandana is not working for me. Charli D'Amelio, what are you promoting here?
The moisturizer, I'm going to go right along into my foundation. So for foundation, I use a medium coverage foundation. So I start by shaking up the product, and I'm going to get my beauty blender and spray it with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm going to use my Becca foundation, which is the medium coverage, and I'm going to put it on my face.
She has like no under eye bags, and I have like so many that... Okay, so she is using like a Becca foundation or something. I don't have that, but she said it was like medium coverage. So I'm thinking of mixing my Laura Mercier with my Anastasia one, and I think that will give like a similar coverage. And she sprayed her sponge with like all-nighter spray, so I'm just going to spray mine with rose water. Rosy. There's also no fake tan on my hands either. You would think I would have fake tan. Blend. I might need to use more because of my pale.
How many times am I going to mention the fact that I'm not fake tan? We get it. I'm boring now, aren't I?
Also, my eyelash extensions are like half falling out. I got them for a video. If you haven't seen it, watch my last video. Promotion, I know. Yeah, they're half falling out and it'll do, I guess. I hope. So fun story, I was going to do Charli D'Amelio and then she doesn't have a makeup tutorial. It didn't go to plan. I need to add more foundation, I'm sorry, but this looks silly. Let us keep going. Woohoo!
So once that's completely blended out, I'm going to move right along to bronzer. I use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit.
Is she from like Alabama or something? I feel like this is kind of similar to Hoola. Like I have Hoola and this is like the most similar one. It doesn't. I'm gonna use this one because this is pretty similar. Sorry for the disappointment there because I actually have that product. This is going well, guys. She's not really explaining what she's doing, so I'm just gonna improv. Oh. She's looking tan. That's not funny. That's actually not funny. Look at my hand versus my face. That's embarrassing. I'm like reconsidering my life right now after seeing that.
And from there, I'm gonna go right along into blush. Normally use a cream blush by Glossier in Storm. And I'm just gonna put some on my finger and blend it out.
Okay, she's definitely from down south in America. Okay, so she uses like this like liquid blush that she said she took on her finger or something. I don't know. I don't have it, so I'm using a cream blush. I feel like that's gonna be like the theme for this video is me not having it. Because honestly, I don't have the money to go out and buy whole new makeups. I think she like takes this on her nose as well, Lord knows. Why does she look so much better than me right now? Why do I feel like if this does turn into a series, this is just gonna be a trend? They all wear like the tiniest little bit of makeup and I'm over here like, put some more!
Put some more! Don't be shy, put some more! Put some more!
So moving right along, I'm going to go to my eyebrows and I'm going to take the Glossier Boy Brow in dark brown, I believe, and I'm just going to open it up and brush my eyebrows as normal.
Okay, so she's brushing her eyebrows. I don't know if she fills them in or not. I'm just gonna keep brushing those. Okay, they're brushed. What's next, Addison? Because Lord help us right now. She's not looking her best.
Okay, so moving right along to lips. First, I will be using the Milani lip liner in Spice.
Okay, so she's doing lips. I don't have anything similar to the lipstick that she's using. I actually used to own the lip liner that she is using, and I know that this one is kind of similar. So I'm just going to use Boldly Bare by MAC. She overlines her lip. Oh no, this isn't even allowed to go on YouTube, I'm sorry. I'm just going to leave the lips like this for now.
Next up, I will be doing highlighter because I like to jump to random parts of my face, like I said. Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. So I take this highlighting brush by Estee Lauder, I think, and just go crazy.
I have the same highlighter as her. Oh my god, wow, first same product. I actually think it is as well. I'm just gonna... Where's the concealer, okay? Does she highlight her nose? Like, how does she... She's really still trying to figure out what's going on with her eyebrows, though. Okay, so she says she kind of just goes crazy with the highlighter, so I do that anyway, so we're all good.
Go for eyeshadow. Naked Heat Palette by Urban Decay. And I'm literally just going to grab the brush I use for everything, which is this IT Cosmetics Chic Crease Brush. Sauced and He Devil, I think that's the name. And I'm going to blend this out onto my lid.
Okay, so I have like a similar product to this, but I don't have the exact same thing. I have this, which is like the mini version of the palette that she's using. Like, it'll definitely do. So I'm just gonna apply it how she applies it, I guess. Sorry, but I'm so shiny. I need some powder right now. Oh my god, I look worse in the camera than I do in the mirror. Why do I look like this? Why does she look like that and I look like this?
Then I will go in with my... It is the Liquid Lash Extensions. Guys, this is life-changing.
Okay, mascara. Mascara.
So I will go right in with that.
Yes, I am putting mascara on my eyelash extensions, but I don't really care about them because they're already all falling out.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching my makeup.
Sorry, what? You say now that I finished my entire face? How does she look like that and I look like this? Jeez. God really has favorites. I kind of like it, but just on camera it looks so bad. Like, I don't think it's bad, but on camera it looks literally awful. I'm not going to follow the hair part because it really, really needs a wash. I really want to put some concealer on, but I think that's cheating. But yeah, this is it. I don't know. It's pretty simple and easy. Like, you can get this done so quick. But yeah, I don't think it suits me that much. I think it suits Addison so much. Like, she's so pretty, but you know, can't say that for all of us. Let me know if you guys also follow along with it. Yeah, let me know how you guys think it suits me. And if you want me to do the hair one day, maybe I can do that too. Yes, that is it for today's video. And I love you guys loads. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. All my social medias are also in the description box down below, so check those out if you want. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, I love you. Mwah.